This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by closing Steam and confirming no processes remain in the system tray. You need admin rights and a destination folder on the drive where you want games stored. This avoids permission errors. Once done, open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads. Make sure you understand your current library path so you can move or add a new one. This step prevents accidental data loss and prepares Steam to accept a new install location. Now you add a Steam library folder on the new drive. Click Add Library Folder and pick or create the folder where you want games to live. You do this because Steam manages content by library locations, and adding a folder tells Steam where to install new titles. For existing games, open the game's properties, go to Local Files, and choose Move Install Folder, then pick the new library. This moves game files cleanly without redownloading, saving time and finish by launching a moved game to confirm it runs. Once verified, you're done. If Steam won't move files or shows permission errors, run Steam as administrator and retry the Move Install Folder action. This often resolves access problems. If a game fails after moving, use Properties Local Files, verify integrity of game files to repair missing pieces. And if disk issues persist, check the target drive for errors. Making sure the drive is healthy prevents future corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.